So our point of discussion will be mainnet migrations roadmap by priorities. Here's a roadmap of mainnet migration work based on the network's priorities. Okay, completing initial migrations for pioneers in the queue. So if there's any other Pi users or Pi pioneers who still needs to complete the transition going to the Pi mainnet, at this point, this is the process or the stage that the Pi network is currently completing. Okay, before they can even go through and focus on the second one, which is most of our Pi users have also been waiting for. Okay, I'm also reading some comments from our viewers and subscribers about do you have any information regarding the Pi second migration? So regarding your query about the Pi second migration, here's a proof, a black and white information coming directly from the Pi network team. Okay, second migration including referral bonuses. Okay, after the first migrations in the current queue are completed, second migrations will become the focus. Okay, guys, I repeat. After the first migrations in the current queue are completed, second migrations will become the focus. So I'm happy reading this earlier because me and my wife have already cleared and completed everything on the first phase of the migration to mainnet. So I'm expecting that we are one of those lucky people who will be the focused users or pioneers when Pi finally starts their second migration, including their referral bonuses. Okay. Second migrations will also include referral mining bonuses attributable to referral team members who passed KYC. Okay, so as I've said earlier, we're both able to complete our KYC process. So I am expecting that whatever remaining unverified balance she has on her Pi balance dashboard as of the date and time of this recording, I'm expecting it to transfer to the or move to the transferable balance and eventually um, moving to the Pi mainnet actual available balance. Okay.